This cable is seized. We're going to unseize it. It's rusted. No matter what you do, it doesn't move. Not too tight. We don't want to crush it. We'll remove the cap, place some penetrating fluid into it. Clip vice grips very tightly onto the shaft. Very gently, we'll move it back and forth. Hammer, I'm going to tap down a little and tap up. If you wanted to, you could let that penetrating oil in there for about a day. You can feel it move a little bit easier side to side, so I'm just going to keep working it up and down. Any movement that I can get, I'll just keep moving it. See, I've got a little extra length in here. It's moving on the other side of the cable. We want to make sure the wire's not broken. As I get this end to move, I can also see the other end move, which is good. Got it to be able to move a little bit back and forth here. After about 20 times, it's really starting to move now. Add oil and keep moving it. Able to move it without the hammer in both directions. I'm able to get it with my hand and just keep working it back and forth. Dropping oil down in there. I'll press fit the cap on there, but we'll probably end up having to glue it back on. Press fit is pretty tight, and the cable's working real nice. There we go. That'll work.